Hello YouTube, this is Steven8979 and a new purchase has been added to my rolling stock. A Atlas Master Gold Series Conrail C-420 number 2072 with DCC and sound. And this is in my little industrial spur that just goes off, pretends to go off and whatever. Crossing, this is like a junkyard that I've made. It's kind of weird. -9. And we got 2414 and the C-420. I got this off of eBay for about 160 bucks with the Quantum sound. So does he, and they both do. And we're going to show you how they run on DC mode. Alright, here we go. I'm just going to move this one in the opposite direction. Couple them up. Alright, that guy and this guy. I'll show you this one. Ah. Hang on a second. There. Alright, cool. And it's just neat how they have different, this one kind of like hums, while this one just kind of idles. And he's got his headlight on also. Let me turn my light off. Kind of neat. You can see the headlight reflecting off of -9 there. Cool. Yeah. And you can, obviously I can't, well, I don't think I can actually make these move. Well, it said on the eBay that they can run in DC, but this is just an Energizer battery straddled between the tracks, and they automatically start up. And I have to reset this guy's factory defaults, and then all I got to do for this one is just set it on the layout and program it. So, yeah, just a nice addition to my layout. I just need to learn how to use consist in my DCC mode. It's complicated. So, and you can see one more thing. You can see guys in there. It's pretty cool. Hello, buddy. So, I hope you enjoyed this little presentation of my locomotives. Oh, listen. There we go. C-420 just put his fans on. It's pretty cool. Just a lot of detail in these guys. It's just neat. And I'll probably make a video of them, because okay, this one is from my grandma, and then this one's from my parents. So this one I'll get on Christmas Eve, and then this one on Christmas morning. So, okay, and I know a little bit of background on this one. This used to be Lehigh and Hudson River, number 27 or 26 C-420, and 2414, not sure. Probably look that up on railroadpicturesarchives.net. So, well, yeah, we're at 5 minutes now. Okay. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this little intermission, and thanks for watching.